Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove noise from background in Windows. Type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Click Recording tab, select Microphone, click Properties. Click Listen tab, check Listen to this device. Click Levels tab, change to Microphone Volume Maximum. Microphone Boost Minimum. Click Advanced tab. Change one by one and test the quality. If none of them worked, click Restore Defaults. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.